Yeah. Have any more cans? Oh yeah. Yeah, and then my other side of the family came over from Russia. My 3 great grannies escaped the Holocaust from in Russia because they were Jews. And they are the ones who moved to California. And then my grandfather from Boston, he went to the war in Tokyo, Japan. Met my grandma when they were like 18. Wifed her up. My mom was born on the Tokyo Air Force Base in Tokyo, so she was born and moved to California. And that's what you missed on Glee. Oh, I wonder if I can dunk it. Dunk. Yeah, my grandfather from Boston was super into genealogy. And my name, Lucinda, came from our family tree because it was like the most popular name of like the 1600s. My mom saw it in our family tree and just kind of stuck onto it. The mafia. Whew. You know what's funny about you saying you feel like your craving is gonna leave after pregnancy? My craving goes away after I get off live. When I get off live, I genuinely can't watch Clean Talk for like 24 hours. It is the weirdest, I don't even know how to describe it. Yeah, I got my fix. Ooh, Puerto Rico. All the chickens died. Tiff, really? I've never mentioned it before. Hell yeah, Tink. Yeah, it's like the weirdest night. Unless it's someone who's just like personality I really want to watch, but it's real weird. Okay, keep getting lost in the clumpy sauce. I was just talking to someone about those. Oh yeah, actually, because when I was in Boston, we went into all these crystal stores and I was explaining those videos to my mom. I might be getting, I wonder if that was my last can. This is my last can. I like how I planned this to be a laundry only live, and then we ended up selling out of all my laundry and all my cans. I literally opened all my cans this morning like, maybe someone will want cans. Pregnant, low iron, and anxiety. She's the triple threat. Mine's just the anxiety part. See how it just rolls off? I squeeze, I can feel my fingers going through the hole. What do you mean busy, Hilda? I know, Stacy, I feel like this was a good one. I finally like logged back into my YouTube and got it all ready. I need to really start. I'm going to backlog upload every single live I've ever done. It's just stressing me out and my ADHD is putting me off. Oh, yes, I'll be around. Hilda's my new charisma plug. I had a feeling we would. And I love y'all for it. I like to do lives on Thursdays because on Fridays I work from home. So I can kind of take it easy in the morning and like leave some cleanup. Whereas if I had to go to work tomorrow and knew that my house was like a disaster, it would like stress me out all day. Hi, Kira. Hi, Leah. It's not lagging on my iPad, but let me know. TikTok is just annoying now. Let me see what else I have to put in. Woo! Oh my God, I have to put like a barrier in front of my iPad. Oh, I'm gonna move it into the sink. What did you guys eat for dinner? I feel like I'm hungry again. Okay, I have tied 2 more bags of Roma and a little bit of dish soap left to go in. And that, I think, wraps